Hello, you've reached Safe and Sound, your trusted partner for all your air conditioning needs. How can I assist you today?
Hi there. I have some problems with my air conditioner. How can you help me?
I'd be happy to help with that. Can you please tell me a little bit more about the issue you're experiencing with your air conditioner, such as what's not working properly or any error messages you've seen?
Oh, I'm actually really bad at all this technical stuff. It just stopped blowing and now it's hot AF in my room.
Worry, I'm here to help. So, your air conditioner just stopped blowing air, and now your room is getting hot. Can you tell me, have you checked if the thermostat is set to the correct temperature and if the air filter is clean?
Actually, I did not, but can you just send someone to come over and do this for me?
I'd be happy to schedule a service appointment for you. Can you please provide me with your address and a preferred time for the technician to visit? We'll make sure to send someone over as soon as possible to take a look at your air conditioner.
Yeah, it would be great if the guy comes at 3 p.m. tomorrow. My address is Green Street 77.
All right, I'm tomorrow at 3 p.m. We'll send a technician to 77 Green Street. Just to confirm, is that correct? And would you like me to call you to confirm the appointment, or would you like a text message reminding you?
Text message, please.
Great, I've made a note of that. You'll receive a text message reminder for your appointment tomorrow at 3 p.m. at 77 Green Street. Is there anything else I can assist you with today, or would you like me to finalize the appointment?
You can finalize.
Your appointment is now finalized for tomorrow at 3 p.m. at 77 Green Street. You'll receive a text message reminder shortly. Thank you for choosing Safe and Sound, and we look forward to getting your air conditioner up and running tomorrow. Have a great day, and goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
That's the demo call, which lasted for 2.5 minutes. And I'm looking forward to set up the same kind of AI agent receptionist for your air conditioning business.